Hey, this is Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I'm coming to you guys live from my home office in Texas. And today we are going to be unboxing Sephora plays. So let's get in and let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm super pumped to share with you guys Sephora Play. And before I get into it, just want to let you guys know Sephora Play is a $10 monthly subscription. You guys we get 5 to 6 sample or deluxe size products. I believe in some cases they have added a full size product. This is my very first Sephora Play, and I'll put all the details for Sephora Play in the description, and we'll definitely have all the products listed below so that you can take a look to see if these are worth it to get these on a monthly basis. To me, I couldn't hold myself, and I definitely saw the spoilers, so I know what's in this box. I definitely am excited, and I think it's worth my while. So let's check out to see what comes in the box. So let's see. So I've already I used a knife to open the box up because I didn't want to sit here for hours just trying to figure it out. So this is what comes inside, and you guys can see that it says show off and share using Sephora Play. And I know that they give you 50 Sephora points that you can redeem online if you purchase $20. But if you go to the store, that can be any amount, and they'll load this onto your account so that you can redeem your points and accumulate points for free product or deluxe size products. So this is what it looks like. This says greetings from Sephora. Thinking of you because you tagged another beauty theme. This shows you everything so you guys can see before I do everything that's in the box, and I'm not gonna look, but I will keep that in mind on the side. So this is what my box looks like. There's nothing outside of the bag. So it has a bag. Let me put that to the side. Comes in, oops, and here I go. See, you can tell this is my very first time opening this up, and give me 1 second, a couple of things dropped. So I'm back. So a couple things dropped out. So we're back. So let's take a look to see exactly what is in our bag. And this says, what are you waiting for? Open me up. So let's open her up. So the very first thing that I am opening up here is, this is from Caviar Anti-Aging. This says restructuring bond repair, leave in heat protect. So this is heat protection spray so that you guys can see that. Let me see what this tells you. Hold on. Let's see what this talks about it. So this is a vitamin-rich leave-in spray that cares for and protects strands from heat damage. How to use: spray evenly through your towel dry hair and comb through before styling. So I will definitely try that. Anything for my curly dry hair, as you can see, I'm definitely open and down for. This was what I was actually excited about the most. This is from Sol de Janeiro, and this is, let's see what this is. This was a coconut infused, this is coconut infused body cream that delivers intense hydration for 72 hours. So lather all over your body after shower or whenever you need moisture boost. Let's just see how this smells, because that's really what I was excited about. And it has a safety seal. So let me take a look here, and I can kind of smell it. It smells like not so much strong coconut, but it has scent to it. So let me see. This smells really, really good. I'm not gonna open it all the way so that you guys can see. And I know with FabFitFun, I'm getting a full-size product of it, but it's the yellow bottle, so not specifically this one, but I am definitely excited to try that. And then the very next thing I have here is Bye Bye Under Eye Cream. This is from It Cosmetics, so you guys can see that there. And then let's see what this says about it. This is, use your ring finger to gently press cream onto clean, dry under eyes. This was developed with the help of plastic surgeons. This super hydrating cream brightens and invigorates the under eye area, caffeine, vitamin C, and collagen. So yeah, let's take a look at that here from It Cosmetics. So definitely so far these just the 2 items. I know there's 3, but just those 2 items alone. Now this is a little product, but and I don't know if I'm smelling the Sol de Janeiro coconut, but I smell coconut. I'm sure that's not what it's from, but that's what it's for. This is for your under eyes. So you guys know you don't have to put a lot under your eyes. So I will definitely get used from this one. So I'm definitely excited to try that out. And then the next item I am pulling out here is from, this is from Smashbox. So there you go. And then Smashbox, this is, so that you guys can see that. This is Smashbox Matte About You, and this is Always On Matte Liquid Lipstick in Stepping Out. So that's the color, and this is highly pigmented formula, has a primer oil complex that makes it wear not only long lasting but comfortable and flawless for a flawless look. So let us just do a swatch on this one and see the color. Oh, this is really pretty. There you go. I would definitely excited to try that out. And we have 2 more products here. So this is Bad Gal Banky from Benefit Cosmetics. There you go, that's what it looks like. And then you guys know what a mascara is. I'm not gonna swatch this because I do have other mascaras that after you open it, you have like a 3-month period. So that's what that looks like there. If you guys can see that. And then I'll put the links to each product so that you guys can see the retail value of them, because that's the only thing I don't see here. I don't see the retail value of it. And then the last but not least is Victor Roth. You can see that there. And then let's see how this smells. This is a bonus, actually, it says here. So without the bonus, it looks like you get 5 products, and this is the bonus here. So this is a flowery scent is what it says here. So let's see if this is something that I would actually wear. And I'm sure you guys know this is what it looks like here. With fragrance, everyone has a different scent. So let's see if magic smells like magic to me. Oh, it does smell really good. So this one does smell good. So I would definitely be using that. I think it did smell good. So with all that being said, let's do a recap. So we did get the bonus. We got that bonus from, let's see, Victor and Rolf. So that was for magic. So we got that. We got the mascara from Benefit. We got that. And then we got the Smashbox Matte About You lipstick. And then I work from home, so I don't really need to put makeup every day, so that's enough for me. We have Sol de Janeiro Coconut Body Cream. We have the Caviar Leave-In Hair Treatment. And then we have the from It Cosmetics. We have the Under Eye Cream. So Bye Bye Under Eye. So I think for me, this was definitely worth it. So what did you guys think? Are we box twins? Did you guys get similar products? I know they kind of curated to what's on your beauty profile, so definitely fill those out. And then you have the bag if you want to use that to the side. So I think it was worth it, $10. And then you get to try out different products and see if you actually want to buy it from Sephora. So let me know what you guys got. What did you guys get in May? Let me know, and I'm definitely gonna put all the links to all the products below so that you guys can see if this was worth it. You can check them out on Sephora just to see if this was worth it. But with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video.